Understanding idioms, you dirty rat, in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a classic English phrase, you dirty rat. This phrase is more than just words, it's a part of English-speaking culture. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means and how you can use it in your everyday English. You dirty rat originated from old gangster movies in Hollywood. The phrase was used by characters to express betrayal or disgust towards someone who had deceived them. It's important to note that the phrase is not literally about a rat, but rather a metaphorical way of expressing strong feelings of anger or betrayal. In modern times, the phrase is often used in a less serious or even humorous context. It's used to express mock anger or playful annoyance, especially among friends. For instance, if a friend plays a harmless prank on you, you might say, "You dirty rat," with a smile. The key to using this phrase correctly is understanding the context and tone. It's crucial to ensure that the situation is informal and that your tone conveys that you're not seriously offended. Remember, using this phrase in a formal context or with a serious tone could lead to misunderstandings. Be aware that this phrase, like many idioms, may not translate well in other cultures. In some places, it might be misunderstood or even offensive. So, it's always good to be mindful of the cultural context when using idiomatic expressions like, "You dirty rat." We hope this video has given you a better understanding of the phrase, "You dirty rat." Remember, learning a language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, but also about understanding the cultural nuances. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.